Greetings everybody. It is officially summer in Florida because it's summer 11 out of the 12 months here. Anyway, today I am finally going to go out and take advantage of our apartment complex's amazing pool and finally get a tan on. So I thought it would be fun to do a pool makeup. It's going to be light because I'm just going to the pool. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to use the CliniqueFIT Workout Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 40 foundation in the shade Light Medium. Now I'm using this foundation because it has SPF in it. It has 12-hour wear, natural matte finish, it's oil-free, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic. Now for my under eye concealer, I'm using Bye Bye Undereye Illuminator. This is in the shade medium, and I am using this because it is waterproof. I'm just going to use a tiny little bit. Look how much I still have left over. And now for blush, I'm going to use the Benefit Lollitint. When I use this on my cheeks, I put a little bit on the back of my hand. It's a very light blush. And then I'm going to put it on my lips. And then I'm also going to be using a liquid highlight. I'm going to use the NYX Away We Glow in Daytime Halo. And now I'm going to do a very light finishing powder. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Press Powder. I'm going to be very light-handed with this. I am going to be using a powder bronzer though, but this one is waterproof. This is the Park Ave Princess by Tarte. And I'm just going to be running this through my eyelid as well, my crease, and over my eyelid. As you can see, I'm going very quickly. I'm not being very precise with any of this. For brows, I'm going to be using the Benefit Ka-Brow. This is in the shade 5. And I am going to set my brows with the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in black. I am not going to use a finishing spray. For mascara, I'm going to use Benefit They're Real. This promises to be a very long-wearing mascara that will not smudge, and it has a very good reputation about that as well. I lost a lash or something, like right in the middle of my left eye, and it really annoys me. Look at that. Right there, that big old gap. And now to finish off, all I'm going to do is use this gloss. This is the NARS something or another in Orgasm. Alright, and last but not least, I'm going to use my current favorite body spray. This is actually from Bath & Body Works. This is called At the Beach. I got this last year because of Kathleen Lights, and it smells so good. It literally smells like you're at the beach. Ugh. Just going to shower in it. Ooh, smells so good. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this very brief, quiet, simple, I'm going to the pool right now makeup look. Like this video and subscribe, please. I'll see you later. Bye.